So I built out this B2B lead generation software which will basically help people find more leads and convert them into paying customers, all of that nice stuff. But building out this software would be an absolute and utter waste of time if I don't have any people actively using it and paying me the money which I want to make from it. So my goal here is to sell this unlimited subscription to as many people as possible, and for that I need to reach out in front of people, put the offer in front of them, tell them that yeah, I have this thing which I can offer them something genuinely of value to provide and offer to the marketplace. And I thought so many people who sell softwares, they go into the Twitter route. So yeah, like there's this guy who reached out to me. He has this company called scrapely.co. So yeah, this guy reached out to me and he has this company which is like again a B2B software. He sells it to other companies and everything. And I was like, bro, this guy is using that to sell it to me and everything. And I thought, bro, I can use the exact same strategy. So if this guy is depending on Twitter to get customers for his B2B software, that means like Twitter definitely works. And I just need to figure out how I can sell my own software using Twitter outreach. So I created a simple plan which I think I'm gonna use, and I believe it will be pretty freaking dope. And I was like, yeah, I'll just document the entire process, the entire journey of me trying out Twitter outreach to get customers, acquire users for my new SaaS. So I've sold like agency type of services, video editing services, like all these different B2B services using Twitter DMs before. I book appointments, gotten clients, everything. But software is something which I've never done before. And yeah, I'm just really freaking excited and I'm just documenting it. So you can also follow along as well. So in case you want to follow along, I've included all the steps and the tutorials. You need to do it. So the first thing which I will do is use this platform called XReacher. Now you can use Scrapely as well, the platform which I just showed you. That's also why can I yeah, so this platform, it's actually cheaper than XReacher. And yeah, so for $49 you can sell like 450 DMs a day per account. And XReacher, if you actually go to it, like yep, so if you go to the XReacher website and you come over to the pricing page, it's actually like $97 a month to send like 450 DMs a day. The reason I'm using XReacher is number one, I know the owner and he provides me a massive freaking discount. So XReacher is actually cheaper for me. And in case you're starting out and you don't have any money to invest, you can send I think 50 DMs a day for free using XReacher. So that's great. So if you're starting out, I'll suggest you to go with XReacher, send like 50 DMs a day. And once you're getting like decent enough replies, if you're getting like one call booked or like one customer out of every 400 500 DMs you're sending out, so like one call every week or something, then you can like upgrade to the pro plan. And yeah, one thing I like to tell you is, if you do plan on using XReach, if you want to actually like reach out to people using Twitter, you can click on this link over here. And if you log into this using my affiliate link, and you'll find the link to this post in the pinned comment if you're watching this on YouTube. The thing is, if you use my affiliate link, it won't cost you anything extra, but because I know the owner, I can provide you a 40% discount code. So you won't have to pay like $100 a month. If in the future you want to upgrade, it'll only be $60. So you get to save a lot of money without paying anything extra. So yeah, I'm going to be using this, and yeah, this is the automation software which you are going to be using, and I'm already logged in. And as you can see, like I'll just quickly show you, even in my free account, like even if the account which I'm using for free, normally you can only send like 50 DMs a day. But because again, like I know the founder, so I can send like 250 DMs from my free account. I have a paid account as well, but for that I'm using another account. But like that's for the other B2B stuff I'm using. So yeah, I don't want to disturb that. So I just created like a new free account. And yeah, we're going to be sending like 250 DMs a day. And yeah, you can use this platform as well. So now that we have the platform ready, the software, and I'll show you like creating the campaigns, everything, we have to get a list of leads. So what I want to do is actually find people who are already looking for what we have to sell. So the idea I have over here is, like, let's say if I just open Twitter right now, I can search for people who are showing interest in like B2B lead gen marketing. So what I'll do is I'll just search for like, let's say B2B over here in Twitter. And now I see like posts who have like basically these giveaway type of posts where people are like, yeah, like I have 5 million B2B leads, giveaways, everything. So what I know over here is every single person who's commenting like, the word leads, whatever, they're interested in leads. So it's very easy to sell to them. Like imagine a guy saying like, yeah, I'm actively looking for B2B leads that I'm going to invest my time, I'm going to publicly write out this word so that the person can send me like leads in my inbox. He's obviously interested in leads. So like what I'm thinking is, instead of trying to reach out to random people who don't even like want what I have to sell, I can just scrape these people who are actively showing interest that yeah, we want B2B leads, we want this thing, that thing, whatever. And yeah, I'll just try to like pitch to them. So over here, if you click on this, you can click on advanced search over here, and yeah, we can like add more filters, whatever. So like let's say I want to find posts which include the word B2B leads, and over here I'm gonna select like engagement. You can like add some numbers that, let's say if I put like 50 over here, then no post which has less than like 50 replies is gonna be shown to me. And the reason I'm adding like 50 replies is so that like when I scrape it, like I will like basically scrape all the replies, get the list of all the people who have replied to a post which contain these words called B2B leads, B2B marketing. So they're clearly interested in the topic which is related to B2B like marketing leads, which is exactly the problem my software is solving. And the post should have like at least 50 replies, because if a post has like 2 replies, it's not very like smart, it's not very efficient to like go ahead and scrape like 50 different posts for like 2 replies. And I would much rather just find a post with 100 replies and scrape it. So I'll just like add this filter called minimum 50 replies. You can add like minimum likes as well, but I don't think so like how that would be like how that would help, because likes don't absolutely matter. And Elon Musk actually hid, like earlier you could see who has liked the post and who has not liked the post, but now Elon Musk has hidden it, so you actually cannot see who has liked it. So you cannot scrape users from likes. So earlier what you could do is, if someone had liked the post, you can see that and you can be like, okay, I see this person has liked the post related to B2B leads and marketing. But yeah, now you cannot do it. So we're going to be scraping replies, and I'll just apply like filters. Again, you can add some more filters as well. So if you want this exact phrase, yeah, if you want like the exact phrase called B2B leads, you can add that. If you want any of these words, so like the post which has the word B2B and the post which has the word leads, you can do that as well. You can do this. I'll just leave it as like all of these words B2B leads. And yep. Uh yeah. So this is like again pretty interesting. So yeah, like there are so many of them, and I can like literally reach out to any one of them. So yeah. So let's say like this one. What I'm now gonna do is, I'm just simply gonna use like a free Chrome extension to scrape all these different replies. So I think I have shared the link over here as well. So yeah, you can download this thing over here called Instant Data Scraper. It's a free Chrome extension. Just download it in Chrome, and like yeah, just like add it over here. If you don't have it added, you can like add a Chrome extension, and it's pretty simple. I don't think so I need to tell you like how to use a Chrome extension, how to download a Chrome extension. So now we're going to be using this extension to scrape it. All you want to do is just simply open like the post which has like all the replies and everything, and over here click on the Instant Data Scraper, and now you have a list of all these different tweets. So for you it will probably look something like this, and now we have like all the data. But over here, if you see, like this is a list of all the people who have like replied to it. So all these different columns, you don't actually need them, so I'll just like cross this out because we don't actually need it. We just want like the username of the people who have actually like replied and commented and chat, because yeah, we just need like the username to reach out to these people. Boom. Yep. After that, just ensure infinite scroll is turned on and just click on start scrolling. So if I open this over here, then you can see my hands are over here, and it will automatically scroll and just collect the data. So I'll just let this automation run, and after that I'll like resume the video once I've scraped a list of all the freaking replies over here. So I scraped a couple of results, and yeah, now we can like simply copy this data in like yeah, we can just go over to Google Sheets, and yep, like I'll just paste it over here. So I just click on like copy all, and yeah, now we open Google Sheets, we paste a list of all the usernames which we just copied. No, like I think it did not copy. Why is it not pasting? No. Boom. Yep. Now we have added this. I'll just call it X link, whatever. Now we can also apply a filter so that we can remove like all the duplicates. So yeah, just select the row and click on data. And then I think you can come over here to data cleanup, and you can click on remove duplicates, and yeah, it will get rid of all the different duplicates. So there were like 26 duplicates, because a lot of time what happens is, let's say I created a post where I said like comment 17 to get like leads or something. Then like if like let's say the person replied 17, then I might reply to it and be like, yeah, I sent it in the DMs. So like then I might also be getting the replies and everything. So now we have a list of leads, and I'll just like name it leads, boom, and I'll click on download over here, and I just download it as a CSV file. So now I'll come over here to Xreacher, and we're going to be using this lead list to actually create a campaign, and we can send out the messages and all as well. So yeah, I just click on the create campaign button over here, and boom, I'll just call it like, what can we call it? We can call it like lead wave SaaS outreach. Boom. And when it comes to add leads, we can just simply come over here. So you have an option that you can click on scrape new leads, and you can enter like the Twitter username or something, and you can scrape their followers or their following, and you can do that, but I think we've already scraped it. So I'll just click on like upload your leads over here. I'll click on this and I'll just upload the CSV file, and we should be good to go. So yep. What's happening? What if we just delete this altogether? Some errors in like updating this or something. Delete raw. Download. Boom. Um. No. Yeah, I think this is the one. Yep. So we have like 148 leads, and we can easily send like 250 DMs or 450 DMs a day per account. So in the future, I think we can add more as well. I'll just call it like lead wave SaaS outreach, and where's the latest lead list which we just added right now? Okay, so it's currently scraping, so you can let it scrape. If you want to, you can wait, or we can actually move ahead and create the messaging scripts as well, which you want to use. Boom. So it'll, yeah, it has been scraped, and now we have some leads as well. Boom. So now we come over here to create scripts, and we can create the scripts, and I'll just click on one. So I'll just call it one. So what are some messages which we can use? I can be like, yo, first name, saw you, post related to B2B and Nijen. So figure out. So decided to reach out to you. I built a software that helps you find unlimited verified B2B leads that you can convert into clients. Would love you to try it out for free and share your views on the same. I'll add like this emoji. Move. So I'll just call it like can I send you link Can I send the link over? You wanted to B2B an agent, so decided to reach out to you. I've built a wine that you can convert into clients. Would love you to try it out for free and share your views on the same. Can I send the link over? Boom. And just like name this as a permission message. Yep. The next one I'll just like we can add like different variations and see like which one is performing well. So over here I'll just add like the direct link. I'll be very honest. Hey, first name. Saw you with a post related to B2B and lead gen. Just built a platform that helps B2B you can use to find unlimited exclusive B2B leads. That actually convert into customers and clients. Oh, exclusive. Love you to try it out and share your feedback, and I'll just paste the link of the software over here. And what I can do is like, yeah, I'll just add like a gap between.com so that it actually does not go as a link, because if you send it as a link, Twitter just hides the message. So that's what I'll do, and boom. And the third message I can be like, I can be very short, like let's try to see how this goes. Yo, first name. Just built a dope software that helps that to find exclusive limited verified leads that you can convert into customers, sites. Would you hate the idea of trying it out for a week at zero cost? Boom. Let's see how it goes. Continue to choose accounts, and yeah, you can just connect your accounts right now, and I'll just disconnect my account from this campaign because you can use only one account per campaign. So I'll just delete it from here. Boom. And now hopefully we'll be able to use it. Connect accounts, add account. Oh, I'll have to connect it, so I'll pause the video and connect it. Yep, so connecting it is pretty easy. You can watch the tutorial, and now it's connective. So I'll just click on this button to turn it on and click on to configure options, this button. So yeah, over here we can select like how many messages you want to send. I'll just put it to 250. And in the other accounts I have with Xreacher, where I have the unlimited plan, I can sell like 450 per account, because Twitter allows you to send like 500 DMs a day. So For safety purposes, these companies allow you to sell like 450 so that your account does not get banned. And over here where it says like what time zone, I just set it to 24 hours because I don't really care. Yep. Boom. And now it's live. That's all we had to freaking do. So that's exactly how I created. Yep. I just sent out the first message as well so we can see what it looks like. Hey yo, win is built dot software to find no. Yep, so the account outreach has started. Now we just wait for the magic to happen and get a bunch load of positive replies so that we can eventually send all our services to these people. And just remind me to update the actual results after like 1 to 2 days or like a week or something. So that was me like trying out Twitter outreach to sell my software, because this is something I've never done before, because software, like selling software, is something I'm totally new to. So I've not done it. So yeah, that's why I cannot share anything related to it. But yeah, like just trying it out. Hopefully it'll go well. Let's see how it goes. Have a lovely, awesome, beautiful, fantastic day ahead. If you have any questions, just drop it below the post and I'll get back to you. Bye bye, man. Take care.